Sesame oil versus toasted sesame oil. I normally purchase sesame oil from an Asian market, but this time I bought it from the grocery store. I primarily use sesame oil for making stir-fried cashew chicken in a wok on the stovetop. Kadoya Brand 100% Pure Sesame Oil Ingredients, Sesame Seed Oil, La Tourangelle Toasted Sesame Oil Ingredients, 100% Pure Sesame Oil. The new bottle, Toasted Sesame Oil, says on the back that it is best for low to medium heat, including stir-frying, baking, dipping, dressings, or drizzled on finished dishes. So, what is the difference between sesame oil and toasted sesame oil? I do not taste a difference.
I think the Kadoya brand you bought was toasted as well, it just didn't bother to mention it. Everything I've bought from Kadoya has been toasted. They are easy to tell apart. Non-toasted is about the same color as, say, safflower oil, toasted is rather dark brown. Toasted is used primarily for finishing dishes, as a final flavor. A little goes a long way. Non-toasted is a pretty marginalized product, you see it at health food stores sometimes. I can't think of any culinary reason to prefer it over the many other choices, and it is quite expensive. Maybe some folks have particular health reasons for choosing it. Honestly, if you cannot taste the difference between toasted and untoasted sesame oil, then you might want to try tasting again. Regular sesame oil is light, almost sweet, with just a hint of flavor. Toasted sesame oil is bold, assertive, nutty.